When planning a door replacement project in Fort Lauderdale, one of the most important decisions you'll make is choosing the right material. Your door's material doesn't just affect how it looks, it determines how well it withstands Florida's humid climate, provides insulation, and stands up against the occasional tropical storm. Whether you're updating your front entryway, patio doors, or interior spaces, selecting the best material ensures long-term beauty, performance, and value for your home. Understanding Fort Lauderdale's climate needs. Fort Lauderdale homeowners know the weather can be both beautiful and challenging. With high humidity, intense sun, and hurricane seasons, your doors must resist moisture, warping, fading, and impact. Materials that perform well in dry climates may not hold up here, making it crucial to prioritize durability and weather resistance. Additionally, energy efficiency is key. Choosing a door with strong insulation properties can help reduce air conditioning costs and maintain indoor comfort year-round. Fiberglass doors. Low-maintenance and energy-efficient fiberglass doors have become a top choice for Fort Lauderdale residents seeking a balance between durability and aesthetics. They are resistant to moisture, warping, and rust, common issues in coastal climates. Fiberglass can mimic the look of real wood with realistic grain textures and stains while requiring far less maintenance. In terms of energy performance, fiberglass doors excel. They often feature a foam core that improves insulation, helping regulate indoor temperatures. This makes them perfect for energy-conscious homeowners who want comfort without high utility bills. Plus, fiberglass doors are available in hurricane-rated options, providing peace of mind during storm season. Steel doors. Strength and security. For those prioritizing security and strength, steel doors are a standout option. They provide excellent protection against intruders and withstand heavy impacts. Modern steel doors are also coated with protective finishes that resist corrosion and fading, vital in Fort Lauderdale's humid, salty air. While older steel doors were prone to dents or rust, newer models are engineered with galvanization and factory-applied paint finishes for longer-lasting protection. Many steel doors also come with insulated cores, making them surprisingly energy efficient. They are ideal for entryways where both safety and resilience matter most. Wood doors. Timeless beauty with proper maintenance. Nothing compares to the classic elegance of a solid wood door. The natural warmth, texture, and character of wood can enhance any Fort Lauderdale home's curb appeal. Woods like mahogany, oak, and teak are especially popular for coastal homes because they resist decay and bring a luxurious, tropical feel. However, wood doors require more maintenance than fiberglass or steel. Regular sealing and refinishing are necessary to prevent moisture damage, warping, or fading from the sun's UV rays. If you love the traditional charm of wood but want less upkeep, consider a wood-clad fiberglass door. It combines authentic wood aesthetics with modern durability. Aluminum and glass doors. Modern style and light for contemporary homes and waterfront properties, aluminum and glass doors are sleek, modern, and durable. Aluminum resists corrosion and rust, making it an excellent choice for coastal climates. When paired with energy-efficient or impact-resistant glass, these doors can create bright, open living spaces while maintaining safety and comfort. Sliding or bifold aluminum doors are popular for patios, as they connect indoor and outdoor areas seamlessly. Choose thermally broken frames and insulated glass to enhance energy efficiency and reduce heat transfer from Fort Lauderdale's intense sun. Making the best choice for your home. The best door material depends on your priorities: security, energy efficiency, maintenance, or aesthetics. Fiberglass suits homeowners seeking a durable, low-maintenance option. Steel works best for enhanced safety. Wood provides a timeless look for those willing to maintain it, while aluminum and glass bring a modern, coastal aesthetic. When selecting your new door, consider consulting a Fort Lauderdale door replacement expert. Local professionals understand the area's building codes, climate challenges, and design trends. They can help you find a material that enhances your home's value while offering long-term performance. Conclusion: choosing the right material for your Fort Lauderdale door replacement project ensures that your home remains beautiful, secure, and energy efficient in the face of coastal conditions. Whether you prefer the classic appeal of wood, the strength of steel, the efficiency of fiberglass, or the sleek style of aluminum and glass, investing in the right material will provide comfort and protection for years to come.